Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 2.7b number 5, which says a newsboy has $2.65. He has nickels, dimes, and quarters. All right, I'm gonna need a chart, so I'm making a chart. So we have our unit value, we have our quantity, and we have our total value. I totally fine if you want to write it out the long way. Unit value, quantity, and total value, or you can use shortcuts. Nickels, dimes, quarters. Okay, 3 rows. I'm going to do N for nickels, D for dimes, Q for, weird Q, but Q for quarters. Let's see, unit value. Well, a nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. In terms of quantity, it says that we have the number of dimes exceeds the number of nickels by 1, and the number of quarters is equal to the number of nickels decreased by 1. Okay, it seems like nickels should be our variable. I'm just going to do N for nickels, if you are okay with that. So, oh, and we should say N equals number of nickels. Let's always define our variable so that we seem like we're doing the right thing. Okay, the number of dimes exceeded the number of nickels by 1. So it's 1 more than the number of nickels, N plus 1. The number of quarters was equal to the number of nickels decreased by 1. Oh, it was 1 less, so N minus 1 decreased by 1. So let's multiply across to get our total value. We have 5N is the value of our nickels. We have 10N plus 1. We should always think of these as parentheses. Let's just always do this automatically. The value of all of our quarters, we had 25, they're N minus 1 quarters, and they're worth 25 each, so the total value is 25N minus 1. Let's see, we're going to take all these numbers, and we actually said in the beginning of the problem it was worth $2.65. So actually, that's our equation. We're going to add up these 3 things, and they're going to equal 265. So 5N plus 10 times the quantity N plus 1 plus 25 times this N minus 1 equals the total of 2. Oh, you know what? 265 is in dollars. These are in cents. Let's actually write 265 because then it's like total pennies. We can make it dollars later. So that was a good catch. Okay, so that's 5N. We're going to distribute plus 10N plus 10 plus 25N. We're going to distribute 25N minus, don't forget the minus, 25 equals 265. We're definitely going to have like terms. I see a 5N, a 10N, a 25N. What's that, 40N? I see a plain old 10. I see a minus 25. Oop, 10 minus 25 is minus 15. So just heads up, 265. Brought it down, no big deal. We're going to add 15 to both sides to balance it out. Let's see, we have 40N equals, oh my goodness, my brain hurts, 280? Yeah. And then, oh, I guess we'll divide both sides by 40 because we need to get N by itself. So N equals something. What is that, 7? I wish you were here to help me. Okay, N equals 7. 40 times N, 7, yeah, 20. Okay, all right, what did we find out? The question actually asks, number 5 says, what was the number of each kind of coin? Got it. Well, N is 7. So number of nickels is 7. And the number of dimes, well, let's go back up. N plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. And the number of quarters, oh my goodness, I can't believe you can read my handwriting, equals N minus 1. Well, that's 7 minus 1 is 6. I should do the check. I'm going to check this. 5 times N, 5 times 7, that would be 35 cents in nickels. 10 times N plus 1. Well, that's 8 dimes times 10 is 80 cents. And quarters, we have 6 quarters. 6 times 25, what's that, $1.50? So, oh, this is not fun, kids. 35 and 80 is 115. 115 and 150. I think that's 265. I think we're golden. We can totally do these problems, all right? Maybe I can even make it so that the video is on the screen entirely. Okay, good luck, kids.